on the properties of rational number. In that we learn about the closure property. Today we will start the commutative property. So for whole numbers, how the commutative property is works. See there, again I make the table here. In the table I show the three columns: operation, numbers and remarks. In operation I give the four process, that addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now in the addition, if two numbers we are adding and interchange, what will get there? Suppose we are taking the example that 0 plus 7, we will get here 7, and if you interchange the numbers, that 7 plus 0, we will get also the result is 7. Means here both the addition is same. It means conclude that a plus b is equal to b plus a. Here a and b are the two whole numbers. Suppose a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 7. So it concludes that addition is commutative in whole numbers. Now the second one is subtraction. Suppose you are taking again the same example that 0 minus 7, we will write the result minus 7, and 7 minus 0, we will get here result. Means both numbers are not same here. So we conclude that a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Means subtraction is not commutative. Third one is a multiplication. That 0 into 7, if you are doing, we will get 0. And 7 into 0, if you are doing here, we will get the result is 7. Means both are same here. So we will conclude that a into b is equal to b into a. Now the fourth one is division. Here 0 divided by 7, we will get here 0 by 7 is equal to 0, and 7 divided by 0 is equal to 7 by 0, means we will not define it. So a divided by b is not equal to b divided a. It means that division is not commutative. Now the second one is integers. In integers, again we will do the fourth process. That first one is the addition. In addition, again we will take the two integer numbers, and that we will add. Now suppose we are taking 2 plus 3, we will get the result is 5, and 3 plus 2, we will get the result is 5. It means that a plus b is equal to b plus a. It means that addition is commutative in integers. Now the second one is subtraction. Suppose you are taking the two integers again and do the subtraction there. 2 minus 3, we will get the result is minus 1, and 3 minus 2, we will get the result is 1. Means both numbers are not same here. So we conclude that a minus b is not equal to b minus a. So subtraction is not commutative in integers. Now the third one is multiplication. If you are doing the multiplication of two integers, that example we are taking 2 into 3 is equal to result is 6, and 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Means both numbers are again same. So we write here a into b is equal to b into a. Means we conclude that multiplication is commutative in integers. Now the fourth one is division. That example we are taking 2 divided by 3, the result is getting 2 by 3, and 3 divided by 2, the result we will get 3 by 2. Means both numbers are not same here. So we write here a divided by b is not equal to b divided by a. So we conclude that division is not commutative in integers. Now the third one is rational number. In rational number, first we will do the operation is addition. Suppose we are taking the two rational numbers. Suppose minus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 7. Here minus 2 by 5 and 3 by 7 are the two rational numbers. If you are doing the addition of these two numbers, we will observe that their addition is, but see there here denominator is not same. So we will take the LCM of 5 and 7. That LCM of 5 and 7, if you get, that one is a 35. So we will change the denominator. So 2 by 5 into for making here denominator 35, so we multiply 5 into 7 and here also 7 plus 3 into 3 by 7, that's 7 here, so 1 to 35, so multiply by 5. So 3 into 5 upon 7 into 5, the result we will get minus 14 by 35 plus 15 by 35. The answer we will get here 1 by 35. Same process we will do for the next that one. Interchange the digits. Suppose you are taking 3 by 7 plus minus 2 by 5. The result we will get again here same process we will do because denominator is not same. So multiply 3 by 7 into 5 plus here plus minus minus. So we will write here 2 by 5 multiplied by 7. So result we will get here 15 by 35 minus 14 by 35. So the answer is 1 by 35. It means we will write down, see the result is here 1 by 35 and here also 1 by 35. Means we can write here A plus B is equal to B plus A. Means we conclude that addition is commutative in rational numbers. The second one topic is subtraction. In subtraction, if you are taking the two rational number and doing the subtraction of that two numbers, we will observe that the two numbers are that subtraction is not same. Suppose we are taking here one example. 2 by 3 minus 5 by 4. What we'll get again here, if you observe that denominator is not same, so we will make the denominator same. So 3 and take the LCM 3 and 4. The LCM having 12. So make the denominator 12. So 2 by 3 multiply by 4 minus 5 by 4 multiply by 3. We will get here 8 by 12 minus 15 by 12. So the answer we will get minus 7 by 12. Same we will do for the interchanging the digit, that 5 by 4 minus 2 by 3. Again here denominator is not same. So we will do the LCM and solving it. So 5 by 4 into 3 minus 2 by 3 into 4. That the answer will get 15 by 12 minus 8 by 12. The answer we will get here 15 minus 8. Denominator is same. The answer we will get 7 by 12. Here we will observe the first one answer is minus 7 by 12 and the second one answer is 7 by 12. Means both answer is not same here. So we will write here A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Means we conclude that subtraction is not commutative in rational number. For next one is the multiplication. For the multiplication, suppose we are taking here again two rational numbers and do the multiplication of that number. We observe that suppose 2 by 3 into 5 by 4. The result we will get here 5 2s are 10 and 3 4s are 12. Here again change the number, that 5 by 4 into 2 by 3. The result we will get 5 2s are 10 and 4 3s are 12. Means both numbers are here same. So we conclude that multiplication is commutative in rational number. The last one is our division. In division again we take the two rational numbers and find the division. So we will take 2 by 3 divide by 5 by 4. The answer we will get here 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. The result we will get here 8 by 15. And suppose we are trying 5 by 4 divide by 2 by 3. Means we will write here 5 by 4 into 3 by 2 means answer we will get 15 by 8. Means both numbers are not same. Here 8 by 15 and here 15 by 8. So we will conclude that A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A. So we write here division is not commutative in rational numbers.